Hey guys, today we are reviewing a sleep mask. So this is a pretty cool purple color. So this is a weighted sleep mask. So as you guys can see here, it is washable, so you just take the beans out and then you can wash it. It's got a nice strap on here. Let's test it out. So after testing it out for about a week, it's very soft, it works great, strap works great. I didn't have to adjust mine, but if you need to adjust it, you can simply do that. So after a week, we're going to now wash it. So overall, I'm very happy with it. So for washing, you just pull this out and you can simply wash it.